This is Friday Field Tip number 13. Get ready for an exclusive Friday Field Tip. Today we're diving into the secrets of mound renovation, generously shared by our friends at DuraEdge. Over time, top dressing, conditioner, or infield mix can sneak into your mound clay, causing uneven footing and those dreaded landing holes. To keep your playing field top-notch, the mound and home plate areas need regular rebuilding. The frequency? Well, it depends on how much action they see. The key to maintaining lasting playing conditions comes down to three crucial factors: the right techniques, the right materials, and unwavering attention to detail. Let's dive into the essentials of proper mound renovation. Number 1. Begin by removing as much of the old mound clay as possible to ensure you have a minimum 3-inch layer of new mound clay. Number 2. Install the new mound clay in well-measured lifts tailored to the dimensions of the mound or home plate area you're reconstructing. Number 3. Compact each lift using a vibratory plate compactor. Number 4. Between lifts, scarify and moisten the clay to maintain an ideal consistency. Number 5. Shape the mound or home plate area correctly before compacting the final lift. Number 6. Apply a 1/4-inch layer of top dressing or conditioner evenly over the clay surface. Number 7. Adequately water the area as needed. The trusty Underhill Precision Nozzle is the perfect tool for this task. Number 8. Lastly, cover the renovated areas securely with tarps. That's your quick 60-second guide to mound renovation. For a deeper dive into this topic, don't hesitate to connect with our friends at DuraEdge. Thank you for tuning in to our Friday Field Tips, brought to you by Underhill International, the brand that professional groundskeepers rely on for field maintenance and watering solutions.